So we are finishing off the FXR front end twin disc, as you can see here, Nick, working hard. Earthquake. You see the 4-disc calipers, 4-piston calipers I should say here, Ultima ones, beautiful calipers. And we've just basically had to adapt. The crazy thing is on this that you won't believe, the forks are actually offset, but the wheel's now in the middle. This is the spacer off this side. Okay, but on this side we need one a fraction of the size, about half. Why? Is because this is offset, the mudguard, etc. But now we've got the wheel running properly in the middle. You can see here we're going to mock it up with these. It is bang on, isn't it? You can see here we're going to have to make a spacer this big. We need one with a ridge on like that to take the weight, because otherwise if you use these shitty spacers most people use like this, all the weight when you brake is taken on the disc bolts. When you got a spacer like this, this goes on the wheel and the disc goes on this, so the weight's actually taken on this boss, not on the wheel itself, on the bolts I should say. You can see here, beautiful set of forks. These are 41 mils, wide glide upgrade for an FXR or Softail or whatever bike you want to fit it on. Sportster it's actually going on, believe it or not. But cracking forks, and finally done after many hours of messing about. Beautiful FXR wheel, original paint and everything. I don't think it's ever been fitted on a bike. Never seen one that clean before.
So it's too clean around there to have been fitted.
It is. There's never been a tar on it, isn't it? No. So there you go. Beautiful stuff. CustomCruises.com. Thank you. Or 01773835666.